Welcome to the class, my dear students. In today's lecture, I am going to explain the inverse Z transformations using the partial fractions. What is the inverse Z transformation? In the previous class, I have done few problems to make you to understand how to use the fundamental formulae of inverse Z transformation. So now using the partial fractions, now how to find out that z inverse of 2z square plus 3z by z plus 2 times of z minus 4. So first of all, we write down what is u of z. U of z is whatever we have got, z inverse of this whole function is your u of z. So u of z is given by 2z square plus 3z over z plus 2 times of z minus 4. Now, there is z is common here. So, you can write 2z plus 3 over z plus 2 times of z minus 4. Right? Now, this is u of z. Therefore, if I take this z to this side, that means u of z over z gives you 2z plus 3 over z plus 2 times of z minus 4. Now, this is the linear factors are there in the denominator. So, we can use the partial fractions. So, the method is a over z plus 2 plus b over z minus 4. Now, what we do? Take the numerator 2z plus 3 and here this can be written as a times of z minus 4 plus b times of z plus 2. So now our job is to get the values of a and b to replace in this equation 1, let us say. So let us put now z is equal to minus 2, let us say. When you put z is minus 2, then 2 times of minus 2 plus 3 is given by a times of minus 2 minus 4 and b times of minus 2 plus 2 gives you 0. So that is minus 4 plus 3 gives you minus 1 and this is minus 6 times of a. So the value of a is 1 over 6. This we got it. Now let us put z is equal to 4 to get the value of b. So that means 2 times of 4 plus 3 is given by b times of 4 plus 2. Now it is 8 plus 3 is 11 is 6b. So the value of b is 11 over 6. So we got the values of a and b. Just put them in the equation 1. So what we get now, when we plug it here, u of z over z is given as your a is 1 over 6 times of z plus 2 and b is 11 over 6 times of z minus 4. So let us rewrite now u of z as, let us bring back this z here. So z by 6 times of z plus 2 plus 11z over 6 times of z minus 4. So what is z inverse of u of z now is given by z 1 by 6, I will take it out, z inverse of z over z plus 2 again plus 11 by 6, take it out, z inverse of z over z minus 4. So now what is z inverse of z plus 2 is minus 2 power n and what is z inverse of z minus 4 is 4 power n. So this is what the answer. I hope you could understand it well. Using the partial fractions, this is what the method to solve the problem by using the inverse z transformations. Thank you.